Hello, everyone. A very good evening to each one of you. We hope you're doing well. We welcome you all to the Masterclass 2 of Data Science Micro-Internship Program. Today is the last Masterclass of this internship program, and we hope that all of you have finished your learning plan. Can you please put it in the chat box how many of you have finished the learning plan? We would be sharing the assignment submission and learning plan certificate link by tomorrow morning. All of you can submit there. Please feel free to put it in the chat box that how many of you have finished your learning plan and registered on the platform. Priya is saying she has done it. Nitin is saying she has done it. Great. Okay. Great. Yeah, please wait for a few more minutes and we would be starting the session soon. Mm. So, how did you find Masterclass 1? What are your reviews? How did you find Dhaval sir? His teaching? How was the Masterclass 1 session? Please feel free to share here. We would love to hear from you. Mhm. Okay, Manjesh is saying satisfactory. Priya is saying it was good. All right. Okay. Good enough to be appreciated. We learned some things in all master classes. Okay, satisfactory. It was fun. DD sir was fantastic. Manjesh, okay. Session 1 was perfect, knowledgeable. All right. Yeah, there is some technical glitch uh, because of which sir is not able to join. So please give us a few more minutes. Those who are watching on YouTube, please be patient. We would be starting soon. Yeah, let's wait for a few more minutes. Yes, we have Dhaval sir in our midst. Just give us 1 minute and then we will start the session. All right, great. So we have Dhaval sir in our midst. Sir, we have received amazing responses for Masterclass 1. Thank you so much. Students have given very good feedback for your teaching. And yeah, before introducing Sir, I know a lot of you now know about Sir, that he has more than 20 plus years of experience, both in academic as well as industrial experience. And he has written his own book on data science and also statistics. And also, he is also proficient in many other languages as well, not just Python, but R, SPSS. And he's very talented. He has his own YouTube channel as well. Please do go and check out his channel. It has great content. So let's welcome Dhaval sir. Sir, we welcome you for Masterclass 2. It's really a privilege to have you. And let's be attentive. You can make notes. You can note down all the important things. And I'm sure it's going to be a great, amazing, and practical session. So over to you, Dhaval sir.
Yeah, okay. Uh, I'm sharing my screen with all of you. Get ready. And we are going to work on R only, right? So please, all of you, open R.
Yeah, just 1 minute, sir. Those students who are watching on YouTube, we will be sharing all important information on WhatsApp groups. Sir, whenever you are sharing something, you can also tell Neerav from our team who would be circulating the messages in the group. So, yeah, if you have any doubt, you can call out his name. He's also in this meeting. His name is Neerav. Yeah, please, yeah. Yeah, sir, you can go ahead.
Yeah, just a minute, just a minute. I'm sharing a screen. Kindly confirm, is the screen visible? Okay, all of you, just write down, have you activated R? Please write it down. Please write down yes or no in the system. Please write down yes or no quickly. You should be very fast, all of you. Very fast, right? I know many of them are the repeat participants and they are aware about how to work in R. Those who have not installed it, I cannot help at present. Okay, we'll start. Get ready. Now we want to create a data frame. This, we had already understood this concept last time, how we create the data frame. Just a minute. Okay, so ID, the 7 entries are there. C is for combine. So 7 entries. There are 7 people. So the weight of 7 people, gender of 7 people. Are they smoking? Yes or no? Are they having tumor? Right? Tumor. So whenever we enter any text in R, it is to be inserted in the inverted commas. Now we'll run this command. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Your success is that you should get this data frame, right? I again repeat, whatever command which I will send to you, right? You have to put your cursor anywhere in the first line and press this run tab. And wherever you get this, it is your success. So this is how we are working on R for data manipulation. Get ready, and you should be the first one to run this. Done. Get ready fast. And just you have to write down done. Okay. Quickly. You have to just write down done as soon as you complete it. Done. Okay. So fast. It means that you have attended my first session, right? Done. Okay. I'll just withdraw the screen for just a minute. Is my screen visible, Anjali ma'am? Hello. Is the screen visible or not?
Yes, sir, visible. Your screen is visible.
Just a minute. I'm just withdrawing for just 1 minute, not more than that, right? Sharing the screen again. Sorry for inconvenience. Okay. Now accept the challenge, all of you, right? Now, when I write names my data, right? Names my data. My data is the name of the data set. My data. Okay. You can give any name. In the last lecture, we had understood that a left-hand side is a liberty, right-hand side is a rule. So as soon as you write names, my data, run. It will give you what are the variables in it. Okay, run the command quickly and write down done. Be fast. You should be fastest finger first. Come on. Done. Okay. Now write down heads my data. Listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully. Now you don't ping anything. When I say heads my data, it means that it will generate the first 6 rows of the data set. And when I will write tail my data, tail, okay, it will generate the last 6 rows of the data set. So run first 6 rows, last 6 rows. Run it. Done. Very nice. Why 6? Where it is? Yes, Priyansi Khatri, it will only generate by default 6. Priyansi, very nice question. I really appreciate this question. The question is why only 6? If you don't specify anything, default is 6. Now let's say I want to generate first 3, comma, n is equal to 3. So the first 3 will appear. Very nice question, Priyansi. Do it. Done? Okay, get ready. Now, there are some rules of R. Okay, there are some rules of R. Give your 100% attention on the screen. 100% attention. See, when I specify anything as hashtag, it means that this is not a command line. It will not process it. Now, the rule of the game is that all commands are followed by round bracket and data sets and variables are followed by square bracket, right? This is the rule. Okay, now my data is the data set and therefore definitely it will be the square bracket. Now in this, there are 2 spaces, the first space and the second space. The first space is reserved for row and second space is reserved for column. Listen carefully, 100% attention, keep your mobile away. When I specify 1:3, comma, right? If you give the space or if you don't give the space, right? 1:3, comma, bracket over, it will only generate the first 3 rows. Okay. Now, when I write my data, square bracket, space, this space means applicable to all. Okay. Applicable to all. Applicable to all rows. Give me 4 to 5th column. So 1, 2, 3, 4th, and 5th. Run. So only 4th and 5th will be generated. Now, if I specify both together, see what it gives. Run. Okay. Get ready. I'm sending the command line to you. And you have to write down done. Done? Excellent. Very nice. Okay. Object my data not found. Jignesh Iyer, no need to worry. No need to worry, Jignesh Iyer. Don't get disturbed. Don't get disturbed. Don't get disturbed. It means that you have not run the previous command. Please run the previous command from line number 1 and it will not throw the error. Start running from line number 1. It will not throw the error. Done? Okay, let's proceed. Are you ready for the next challenge? Are you ready for the next challenge? I hope you are all ready, right? Okay, let's see the next challenge. Now see, how to rename the variables.
So, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. I'm there. Now listen carefully. See, names is a command. Okay, so what is the rule of the game? See, the rule is commands are followed by round bracket. Okay, so names, my data, we are specifying the data frame. Now we are specifying the location. That whatever which is there on third column. What is there on third column? On third column, we are having gender. Replace it with the G capital gender, run my data, and see the G has been, now the G is capital, right? So run it. Please run it. Done. So there are some people who are very faster. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now, again, I want the 100% attention of yours. Okay. Keep everything aside. Otherwise, the subsequent commands you will not be able to run. Okay. Keep everything aside. Okay. Listen carefully. See, gender we have changed. Okay. But I want my original data set again. I want G small again. So scroll up and run 1 to 7 again. So now G will become smaller. Please do that. All of you, please do that and write down done. Please write down done. 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 Okay. Let's proceed further. Get ready. Listen carefully. If all of you have reset it, please listen carefully, right? Now see, here the weight is not in the increasing or decreasing order, and we want to have it in increasing or decreasing order. So we are creating a new data frame, new data one. Just I'm creating a new data. The reason is that it will not upset the original data. That's the only reason. Otherwise, you can run this thing directly also. Okay. So I'm creating new data one, my data. So it is a data set. So it is a followed by square bracket order. So we want to do the sorting. Sorting according to what? So as it is a command, round bracket, weight, comma, applicable to all the rows. Run, run. Now see the weight in increasing order. Now if I want in a decreasing order, I'll just introduce a negative sign and run, run. Okay. I'm sending a command line to you. Get ready quickly and please run it very fast. Next, just a minute. Just a minute. Now there is something which is known as transpose. Convert rows into columns and columns into rows. The command line is T. Okay, just T. And run, run. And your data will get transposed. Okay, now let's proceed further. See, I want to split the data set. Okay, thank you. There is a comment. Thank you, Manthan. Thank you. Now, there is in our data set, we are having male and female. We want to split the data set into two halves. Now, why we want a splitting of the data? Let's say that the government has collected the data of entire India, and we want the statistics according to the states. So what we can do is I can enter the data of the entire India, and just here I can write down that the splitting is to be done according to the states. So this will split the data, and I'll be able to generate the statistics according to the states. Okay, the command line is, this is the name. Okay, I can write my name also. There is no problem in writing my name on left hand side. I repeat these things again and again. Left hand side is liberty, right hand side is a rule. Run, run. Okay. Now see, the data got split into two parts, female and male. Okay. So I'm sending a command line. Get ready. The name given is LDF. Just it's a name, nothing else. And if you want, you can accept the challenge and run on your own. Okay, run on your own. Try. At least try. At least try to run on your own. Done. Very nice. Very nice. Excellent. So all of you have understood how it's working. Okay. Anybody who's not able to do it, please tell me. Please refer my playlist of R. You'll be able to learn R. Done? Shall I proceed further? Anybody lagging behind, please be frank enough that anybody requires a code or you are ready to accept the next challenge. Come on, tell me. Next challenge. Ready? Why there is a dollar sign? Yeah, dollar sign. Okay. Why there is a dollar sign? Okay, I'm sending a code to you. The question is why there is a dollar sign. Wait a minute. First, Syed requires a code. Okay, Syed, I'm sending a code to you. Now the answer of why there is a whose question was it? Okay, let me explain this in a simple way. Uh, whose question is it? After. Okay, after. After write down where do you stay? After please write down where do you stay? Yeah, yeah. Where do you stay? Just write down the city name, if you don't mind. Just tell me your city name. If you don't mind, just write down. Okay. So after Delhi. So if I want to locate after, I will have to give the reference dollar, right? So here also, once the model is generated, okay, once anything is generated, and I want the subsequent things from it. So we had generated LDF. So when I write dollar, what are the things? See now, for female and male. Hover your mouse on it and you'll be able to see it. It works amazingly, right? So this is the reason why we are using the atomic operator dollar. Done? Let's proceed further. These are the packages which require try. Okay. Now there is a command transform. Okay. Transform command. Now in this, in this, there is weight, which is given in pounds. I want to convert it into kilograms. Sir, name of the calendar was to gender. Then how split my gender works without using the updated name gender? If you recall, whoever is BP, see his question is, sir, name of the gender was changed to the gender. Then how my data worked? Okay, if you recall, then I had told you to reset this. That 1 to 7 line you had to run again, and that's the reason the gender was reset and we are able to run. This is my answer. Okay, let's proceed further. Now, in this data set, we want to convert the weight, which is in pounds, into kilograms. So what I specify, transform my data, weight 2.204, run. Done. See, the weight has changed. Anybody requires a command line? So why we are multiplying? Because pounds are getting pounds converted to kilograms. That's the reason we are using 2.204. You can use any index. Object after not found. Okay, object after not found. Wait a minute. See, aftab is not a command. Please don't wait a minute. It's not a command. So remove this from the command line. It will not give you an error. Okay. Now let's proceed further. All of you see here. Now there is something which is known as filtering the data set. Okay. We want to filter the data set. It's quite possible that your data set consists is having many rows, or you want to do the filtering that I only want to work on specific female data or male data. So there is an extraction which I want to do. See, we are creating a new data, fam data, right? My data is the original data frame, square bracket, gender, equal to, 2 times equal to means we want to filter it. Only pick up the data of female, comma, applicable to all the rows. Run, run. And the female data gets extracted. It's not working. It's not similar to splitting versus, because in splitting, the new data frame is not generated. Here, the new data frame is generated. Done. Okay. Priyansi Khatri. What's the error it's giving? What's the error it is giving? Can you tell me? Okay, if it's not working, listen carefully. All of you, listen carefully. All of you, all of you go in the first to 7 and run it again. Please run it again because the transformation was done on the original data set. So 1 to 7, run it again, right? Now go in and run this fem data again. 1, 2. I'm sending a command line to you. Please run it. There is a question from Syed. Okay, Syed, it's really nice, right? Yeah, two times. Priyanshi Khatri, you will have to put equal to two times. Syed, very nice question. See, what Syed is asking is, it's coming forward. Syed, in next, we are going to run on it. Now we can use the logical operators also, right? Like N. Extract the data of the male who is smoking, right? So what is the command line? My data, square bracket, gender equal to male, and smoking equal to yes, comma, applicable to all rows 1, 2. And try to write the command line on your own. I am also sending it to you, but try to write it on your own. Okay, this is the command line. Run it. Done. There is one thing, sir. Some error is showing, says undefined column selected. Ambati Chandramouli, can you put the screenshot here if you don't mind? Let me check it. My data, gender, equal to, comma is not there. Ambati, after female, you have forgotten the comma, just small comma you have forgotten, right? Do it again. After female, single inverted comma. Done? Okay. Now see, next command. Mean is a command followed by round bracket. Weight is a variable followed by square bracket. Gender. So read like this. I want the mean weight of gender female. So it understands this language. Run. Please run it. Done. Arey wow. Abdul. It's really nice.
Me, nothing will happen.
How can I trust?
Yeah, so let it rest open. Like that. Will I will I give you something that is unsafe for you?
Hello.
I don't know sometimes how you talk and what you talk.
Maybe put you over shot.
Deep data, you can write directly in console also. Okay. See, last time we had discussed this part. You can write here also. But the problem is that here you are having an option of saving this entire script. Okay. Your hard work, which you have done, writing a script. So this goes into the permanent memory and this is a temporary memory. Once you shut down the R, this is gone. So don't work in console. Okay. If you don't mind explaining why there is no need to there is no need to put mean, there is no need to put comma in the mean. Yeah, the reason is that this is we are working on the data, we are working on the command line, and that's the reason it is not necessary to put the comma, right? Because this is we are directly working on a command, and that's the reason we are removing it. When the data frame is there, it's necessary that we specify comma. Okay. Next, male over 23. Extract the male whose weight is over 23. My data, square, gender, equal to male, and logical operator, weight greater than 23, applicable to all the rows, 1, 2. So run this command, all of you, run this command, please run it. Done. Really nice. It's really nice. Done. Okay. Shall I proceed further? I want to introduce you to a very powerful package, which is known as a Dplyr. So in data manipulation, you should be aware of the Dplyr package because it is just working on the SQL queries. And it's amazing. Okay, it's amazing. Dplyr package. Now we want to install this package. Make sure your internet connection is on. Go in Tools, Install Packages. Tools, Install Packages. From here, a window will appear. And write down the Dplyr. Please write down Dplyr. Dplyr, press install, or you can write the command also. Activate its library. Library Dplyr. Please write it down. Done? Okay, installation is over. Now see carefully. I'll start the Word file. Can you see the Word file? All of you, please confirm. Okay, let's say John is studying in 8th standard. John is very intelligent. Okay, John is very intelligent. John is studying in 8th standard. John is very intelligent, right? Now, how can I connect these two sentences? John is studying in 8th standard and is very intelligent, right? So this statement is having the reference of the previous one. R has came out with the concept that you can write the commands one after the other, and all these commands can be joined with the help of AND. Okay, you are not going to use AND, but instead of this AND, you are going to use something which is known as a pipe operator. Percentage. This is known as pipe operator. Listen carefully. This entire thing is known as pipe operator. This was the old command. Now the new pipe operators are with the command line. So this is the pipe operator, right? How it's working? How did it create this magic? Let's see. First of all, activate its library. Run this library. Done. Now attach CO2. Okay, the name of the data set is, just listen carefully. There are two CO2. One with the capital letters. So we have to use the capital letter one. CO. It is not zero. CO2. Run it. Okay, so you will get this data set, which consists of the plant, name of the plant, type, treatment, concentration, and uptake. Attach it. Okay, attach CO2. Make sure the letters are capital. Attach CO2. Please do it. Please do it. Done. Okay, now see how it's functioning. All of you, please pay attention. Keep everything aside. Yeah, what it's giving me. That's not an error. No need to worry. That's not an error. Jignesh, that's not an error. See how it's working. Please see here. All of you, please see here. See, uh, when we are not having the Dplyr package, how it's working. So I'm creating the data frame 2 from CO2 run. I'm creating data frame 3. Data frame 2 only generate 1:3 run and heads df3. So first three columns are sorry, 1, 2, 3 columns are generated. So how many commands I have to run? 1, 2, and 3. Now when I have to use pipe operators, okay, pipe operators. The shortcut for running the pipe operator is, please write down Control Shift M. As soon as you press Control Shift M, the pipe operator gets active. Are you able to do it? Please confirm. Are you able to do it? Please confirm. Control Shift M is and those who are using MacBook, Control Shift Mac is a pipe operator. Now see the magic how it's working, all of you. Okay, see. Please see all of you. John is in 7th standard. John is an intelligent boy. Connecting with N. Now listen. In carbon dioxide dataset, select plant to treatment. Select the dataset from plant to treatment. Means, wait a minute. Plant to treatment. And generate the first 4 rows. 1, 2. And just see how it's working. Make sure that the Dplyr package is installed. Make sure that the Dplyr package is installed. But it's working. Is it working? Now see. If I want to read, now we will read the statement again. In carbon dioxide, select -2. -2 means drop this column and generate first 6 rows. 1, 2. So -2, here the type was there, is now no longer there. Right? So run it, all of you. Please run it. Done? Okay. Shall I proceed further? Ready for the next challenge? Ready for the next challenge? All of you? I hope you're not tired. Okay. See, now in this Dplyr package, we are having the select command in carbon dioxide. Select 1 to 2 column and fifth column and generate the first 6 rows. Come on, do it. You have written the command on your own, Priyanshi. See carefully between 1 and 2, you have inserted semicolon. It should be colon, and your problem will be solved. Yeah, that's fine. Got it. Okay. Now, this consists of rename command, right? So in carbon dioxide, we are having the variables. Just a minute. We are having the variables concentration and uptake. We want to change it. So the new name which we want to give is concentration and CO2 uptake. So this is a new name which we'll give 1, 2. Can you see the new name? Concentration and CO2 uptake. This is exactly like what we had renamed. So sending a command. Why is it selecting up to 5 rows? Because we have specified it. We have written 5. That's the reason. Run it. Done? Now I want to rename it to lower one. Run, run. तो ये सारे lower हो गए, ठीक है? All of them are now in the lower case. Done? Okay. Now the next thing is relocate. Relocate means I want to take concentration and uptake in the front. Okay. So carbon dioxide, relocate concentration and uptake, run, run, and see now the concentration and uptake are in the front. Okay, run it. Done. Acha, DFT I was sent to only right. Please run it. Now there is something which is known as mutate. Mutate means transform. Mutate, create the new variable. Ratio is equal to concentration upon uptake, run. Okay, send the screenshot, Rahul Kumar Kumawar. 1, 2. Done. So sorting the variables can also be done from here. It's having a command arrange CO2 uptake, run. Okay, so see the sorting which has been done according to the uptake increasing order. It's the same thing which we had done the sorting of weight. They are not there only, Jignesh. I have no need to worry. D10 and D11 and D7, they are not there only. It's the name which I have given. Nothing is. There is no skipping. There is no skipping. See, can you see there? I have not skipped anything. I know you want to learn, but I have not skipped anything. Don't worry. Right? Okay. Now there is a filter command. Filter the dataset carbon dioxide. Only generate those data whose uptake value is more than 40. 1, 2. And the filtration is done. It's a very nice tool used for data manipulation. Yeah. Why not given the name? When I was writing the command, I did not have such clue. I just gave any random name only. There is no change in the plant name Priyanshi Khatri, treatment and type. There is no change in the name. Who said that there is a change? There is no change. Okay, let's proceed further. Now I can specify two things together also, that I only want uh, rows which are having the type Quebec and treatment chilled. 1, 2. So both the conditions are specified. That only I want. Run, copy, done. Control V, and is it clear? Now this is the name of my channel, Dhaval Mehta, right? It's ultimate destination for learning data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. You go in the playlist. Everything is completely given free for all the students. You can learn Alltracks, Excel, Power BI, 132 videos, Tableau, 9, Amos, uh, artificial intelligence, Jamovi, SPSS, Python, Adenco, EViews, RapidMiner, Python, EViews 12, R and R Studio, Smart PLS, NVivo, right? We frequently organize workshops on various software. Scan this QR code and you will get the notification of all my workshops which are on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please scan it and be the part of my group. Be the part of my group. So what do you organizers? Hello. What do you organizers? So enjoy the sessions. Uh, Now is the screen visible? You can join my DM group. And
Hello.
right, over to you, Nirav, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, I think all the students must have learned so many things. What has been said by sir. In the end of the session, would like to thank you, sir, कि आपने इतनी सी अच्छी इंफॉर्मेशन बच्चों के साथ शेयर की एंड आई आल्सो होप कि ऑल द स्टूडेंट मस्ट हैव लर्न सो मेनी थिंग्स यहाँ से सो यहाँ से मैं अभी चैट में और हमारे जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में है वो दो तीन लिंक शेयर करूंगा तो आप उसमें से अटेंडेंस अपना कर सकते हो लेकिन उससे पहले आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक सर कि आपने अपना टाइम निकाला और बच्चों को इतना गाइड किया सो थैंक यू सो मच सर
Okay.
बच्चे सिर्फ आप जी सर
Students, you can put your valuable comments in the chat box. put your feedback on the chat box. Okay. Okay, what do you need also?
Yes, sir. Just a
Meanwhile.
minute, students. Please wait. I am just going to share some links to mark your attendance and also for your plans, learning plans और assignment और उसका जो भी है वो हम लोग I think अंजलि already said कि कल तक हम लोग आपको शेयर कर देंगे. तो आपको उसके लिए वेट करना पड़ेगा असाइनमेंट और प्रोजेक्ट के लिए जो भी यहाँ से दिया जाएगा वो हम लोग आपको शेयर कर दीजिए और वी ऑल्सो विल शेयर द डिटेल्स वेयर यू हैव टू सबमिट योर असाइनमेंट सो प्लीज डोंट गेट पैनिक कि कहाँ पे करना है कैसे करना है सो प्लीज डोंट गेट पैनिक जस्ट वेट फॉर 1 or 2 days. Just a minute, I'm going to share some links so that you can mark your attendance. I'm
Okay.
also sharing these links to all the WhatsApp group. So thank you so much, sir.
Okay, so I take your leave. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you, Anjali ma'am. Thank you,
Yes,
Nirav
sir.
sir, for always inviting me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, hello students. You have been given the assignment in the past. Please check your WhatsApp groups. We have already uploaded, shared the images with you. Please, tomorrow we'll share the link where you have to submit your learning plan certificate and assignment. So you can submit on that link. Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah, thank you, Neerav, for co-facilitating and sharing all the important links.
Thank you. So I have said some details where you can mark your attendance. You also can find the link for the learning plan. So please mark your attendance. I would like to request all the students. I hope कि आप सबको मिल गई होगी लिंक यहाँ से so you can mark your attendance. And I also would like to thank you all. Thank you so much again. Would keep sharing all the details and all the information in the group. Thank you.